To confirm that only the G terminal is causing the fan to run, test with a meter and observe which terminal shows voltage when the fan is on. Start by turning the thermostat off and setting the system to cooling with the fan auto and then to fan on to create distinct signals. Carefully remove the thermostat cover so you can access the wire terminals while the system is running. Use a digital multimeter set to measure low voltage AC, and place the meter common lead on the C terminal or the thermostat common wire if present. If there is no common wire, use the furnace or air handler chassis ground only if you know it is safe to do so. With the system in fan-on mode, check the G terminal for voltage relative to common. A reading close to 24 volts alternating current indicates a G call. Next, return the thermostat to cool and call for cooling while monitoring the Y terminal for a 24-volt alternating current signal and the W terminal for a 24-volt alternating current heat call. If only the G terminal shows voltage when the fan runs while Y and W read no voltage, then the fan is being driven only by the G signal. For extra certainty, unplug or disconnect the G wire at the thermostat while leaving power on and call for cooling again. If the fan stops but the compressor still runs, you have confirmed the fan was driven by the G terminal only. Common mistakes include assuming absence of voltage means no call when the meter is set incorrectly. So double-check the meter range and use alternating current mode, not direct current mode. Another error is using chassis ground incorrectly, which can give false readings. Instead, use the actual common wire when available, or verify the chassis is truly bonded to common with a low resistance reading. A third issue is not isolating the thermostat wire at both ends. To avoid confusion, disconnect the G conductor at the control board before testing, so backfeed from other circuits cannot create misleading voltage on the wire. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting us list project needs and review responses, so we can find suitable matches and discuss expectations. Our site also helps contractors find work through project postings and a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and share local experiences.